Welcome to Hitcoin Daily. Today we are talking about CCDOGE. CCDOGE is right now not listed on CoinGecko, but I can say it is here a hot pre-sale. It will come out soon, the next days. It will hit also CoinGecko, and there's already a community behind it, right? So let's see what is CCDOGE. CCDOGE is an open source blockchain project initiated by the core developers of the original Dogecoin community, dedicated to inheriting the spirit of YOLO, you only live once, and bring Dogecoin to DeFi. CCDOGE is developed based on the Binance Smart Chain in the early stages and will gradually develop to other public chains such as Ethereum, Solana, providing users with a one-stop aggregated mining experience. So let's see, here we have the smart contract, right? They also have a white paper we are looking. First 3A tokens. This is typically representative of third generation of meme tokens. 10% fee will be charged for each transaction, and that's how it goes. 2%, 2.5% in auto farming. Holders of CCDOGE will automatically receive earnings without complicated operations such as authorization or staking, and 2.5% of each transaction will be strapped to the token holders. So just hold the tokens and you earn money, right? Auto market maker, 5% of the transaction fees will be automatically added to the liquidity. Nice, you have to have marketing. Auto deflation. CCDOGE is a constantly deflated token. 2.5% of every transaction fee will be automatically destroyed, and destruction will stop when it reaches 50% of the total. Block mining yields up to 500 plus. Holding rewards X5 principal and interest can also be earned by holding CCDOGE. Okay, tokenomics, we have a 15% public sale, 30% initial raise, airdrops, and community rewards 50%. CCDOGE versus other meme tokens. We have here Shiba Inu. It's on Ethereum, no auto farming, no auto maker, auto deflation, lock mining, and NFT. This is all what CCDOGE want to do. A roadmap, you can look by yourself. Here also a contact formula. Fill out and ask them some questions if you have them. So let's see the white paper of CCDOGE. Introduction about CCDOGE community. You only live once, yes. This is everyone's just holding in your wallet, right? 2014 we missed Bitcoin, 2020 we missed Dogecoin, 21 we missed Shiba Inu. We only have live once. We can't miss opportunities anymore. Okay, if CCDOGE is the big opportunity, let's do it, right? NFTs, so NFTs lending, NFTs mining, CCDOGE DAO, token disruption. Okay, we already saw this. Phase 1, phase 2, this is what they want to do, they want to plan. Okay, sad nothing about the team, but Dogecoin also don't have any official team, so somehow Dogecoin is in the top 10, right, on CoinGecko. But the good is here, we have here Airdrop. Airdrop is coming in 24 hours. So that means if you want, not 24 hours, 24 days even. So we are very early in the beginning of CCDOGE, and you have to type in here they give away 777 billions of CCDOGE. So you have to type here, enter your Binance Smart Chain address and your email and send it to them, to CCDOGE founders. Enter the BSC address and email address and submit the application, right? Each address initially reward 100 million CCDOGE. So 100 million CCDOGE. What would you do right now with 100 million Dogecoin, right? So CCDOGE give away 100 million for every BSC address. It's an airdrop. So I probably will do it 100%. I hope you are also doing, guys, because it makes sense, right? And 24 days you still have left. But the early bird catch the fishes. I will do it right now. Let's see Telegram, how many members they have. A healthy 7,000, yes, 7,000 members. 1,474 right now online. And of course they have a Twitter account with 5,390 followers, and they have already here announced their airdrop. And we have a lot of interactions here, so that means be one of the early birds and catch the fish, because I can see here already many things are going on, right? So they are already on Discord. Also, if you want to join them on Discord, please feel free. So I think CCDOGE have a big future in the crypto sky, on the blockchain. And what do you think about CCDOGE? Is just another hype, or maybe that Dogecoin who will follow the one and only Dogecoin? Who knows? We will see. And I say give it a chance. Give it a chance to this project. Throw some money inside. Throw some tokens inside. Buy some CCDOGE. Here in the pre-sale, you can buy also 1 BNB is 10 billion CCDOGE, or you go in ready for the airdrop and cash out 100 million of CCDOGE, right? Let me know what you think about CCDOGE. Write something down into the comments. Subscribe. It will help a lot to grow this channel. And yeah, leave me a like if you like the video. Until then, I will say until the next video, make some profits. Cash sometimes out the profits. Don't lose your money. Be careful in the crypto jungle. And see you later, alligator. Bye.